You want to embed a PDF directly inside your Notion so you or your team can read without downloading. In this quick tutorial, I will show you the easiest way to upload or embed a PDF in Notion. It takes less than a minute. Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, where we make Notion and the productivity tools super simple. And if you enjoy this kind of quick tech guides, like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. And obviously you can check the link from the description to get some special offers, and let's get it started. So once you are inside your Notion page, and just head over to the place where you want to add or embed your PDF. Let's say I want to add the PDF here, so just I'm clicking here and I will search for this embed. You can see there is a embed option. Just select that by clicking. Here you can see there is two options. One is paste the link and another is the upload. So if your PDF file is in your local file, then you can upload or choose the file by clicking here. So let's say this is my PDF. So if I upload this, it will show here. So let's see. See, this is the PDF. So if you want, then you can resize this. Now let me show you using the link. So if your PDF is in your like this kind of hosted server like PDF, like Google Drive, or in your website or anything, then just copy the link and paste it here. Okay, now click on this embed link and make sure it's shared with anyone with the link. Then copy the link and save it. Now paste the link here and embed link. See, it's connected or it's inside your Notion here. Now you can resize this, and basically that's it. And that's how your PDF is perfectly embedded in Notion. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.